Once again, it's time for The Law and You, where we give you free legal advice. Joining us today, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ciarimboli are back for some more fun.
Let's get to it.
Let's get right onto it.
Yep.
All right, let's see what our viewers are asking today. Nina in Bloomsburg, she is reaching out. She says, my daughter was traveling back to school and was in a multiple car pileup with a tractor trailer on Route 80. She was hurt but is doing a little better. I'm not sure how to proceed. Well, Nina, you're in luck. We got the truck expert right here.
All right, Nina. We can help you.
Good.
So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that all the evidence is preserved. And when I say evidence, I'm talking about the downloads. So you got airbags, you got cameras, you got engines, the modules from the engine that will tell you speed, it will tell you hard braking. It can actually tell you whether the driver was exerting force to the steering wheel at the particular time of the crash. And most importantly, we used to always say, anytime there's a tractor trailer crash, you got to get the truck, you got to do all that. That's really important. But the other thing is, you got to have the phone, the driver's phone. This has so much data on it, it's unbelievable. And you know, if you don't call and you don't get a letter out immediately, some of this really critical pieces of evidence can be lost permanently on any case. So it's really important, you know, preserve all that evidence so that we can do, you know, what we need to do from a liability standpoint and ultimately get your daughter the compensation that she needs.
Right, and it's amazing. We've been encountering more and more dash cam videos of these accidents, which are very helpful. We've actually had some cases we made and had to reject because of it, but at least you get, you know, you can find that evidence, and that's the key. You know, between the liability investigation, getting to the doctors, getting everything worked up the right way, that's how you get a good result in these cases.
Without question. And the earlier that we can get involved, and I know it's the last thing that people think about whenever they're involved in something like this, and they don't want to have to, you know, think about things like that. But the reality is the trucking companies and the insurance companies that represent those companies, they immediately start working on those cases in order to protect their interests. And you got to have somebody doing that for you. You just have to.
Like these guys, give them a call, find them online. Thanks for your time. If you have questions for The Law and You, go to PAHomepage.com.